So showing on the screen is my chart with this customer support, right? This particular broker customer support, and this is me requesting for deposit bonus if it is available on their platform, right? And as you can see right here, they said it is available. This is showing right here on the screen, right? And I also asked if it is available for all countries, and they said yes, it is available for all countries. All right, so which means every single body can be able to participate in this particular no deposit bonus that I am about to draw. All right, so in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get $100 no deposit bonus that you can start trading with and that you can withdraw from. All right, because one wonderful benefit from this particular no deposit bonus is that there are multiple withdrawal proofs already. All right, and when I talk about multiple withdrawal proofs, I mean multiple, not just one, but more than one. All right, it is about 3 withdrawal proofs. This person was able to withdraw about $133 from this particular no deposit bonus, right? And I will be showing you how you can do this in this particular video, right? How you can get $100 no deposit bonus that you can start trading with, right? So all you have to do is to make sure you stick to the end of this video so that you won't miss out on these wonderful updates. All right, so in this video I'll show you how you can claim it, how you can start trading with it, and how you can also withdraw from it. All right, so like I said earlier, make sure you stick around to the end of this video so that you won't miss any single step, because before I was able to claim it as well, I made a few mistakes. All right, so make sure you stick around to the end of this particular video so that you won't make the same mistake that I did. All right, so first things first, before I proceed to show you how you can get this wonderful opportunity, please make sure you like this video and you share it with people that you feel might need it. And most importantly, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Many of you might be wondering why you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Well, for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, that means you'll be able to start getting updates on how you guys can make money online in 2025. And as you can see, I usually promise you guys that I'll be dropping videos every single day for the next 30 days. Why? So that you guys can be able to get funded and trade the forex market and make money online in 2025. Most especially, you don't have to make any deposit of your own money. All right, so make sure you join my Telegram channel as well, and make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel. All right, and if you have done that, I appreciate you a lot. All right, so proceeding to how you can get this wonderful opportunity to your advantage, all you have to do is to check the description or you check the comment section. You'll find a link there, click on it, and it is going to direct you to my Telegram channel. Join my Telegram channel, and after joining my Telegram channel, you'll find the link to get to their website there. All right, so this is what their platform looks like. All you have to do is to scroll to the bottom. All right, keep scrolling until you find something like this. Until you find get a $100 free, $100 for free, boost your daily trading profit. All right, so when you find something like this, all you have to do is to check the bottom and you find something like claim now. All right, so when you see this, then just click on claim now right here and you wait patiently for it to load. All right, so after loading, it's going to bring you to where you have to log in. But if you don't have an account with them yet, you don't have to log in. That means you have to register an account with them first. All right, so to register an account with them, just click on sign up right here. And if you have an account with them already, just log into the account already. All right, so click on sign up if you don't have an account with them. So after clicking on sign up, you have to register as an individual. All right, open an account as an individual. Don't open as a corporate. Don't open a corporate account. All right, so after clicking on individual right here, input details that is required, your name, your email address, and input your desired password. Note, this password is what you'll be needing to log into your MT5 app so that you can start trading with this particular bonus. So make sure you use a password that is easy to remember, that you won't forget. All right, so and also select the country you are registering from and change this one to the number of the country you are registering from and input your mobile number. And after doing all of this, all you have to do is to click on you agree to this, and after clicking on it, then you can proceed to getting started. And you click on get started showing right here. All right, so after doing all of this and registering an account with them, so you'll be asked to log into their platform. Right, so this is me after logging into their platform right here, and this is what their dashboard looks like. All right, so as you can see, I have a live account created right here already. So you don't have to panic because your own is just going to be showing demo accounts. All right, my own is showing live account because I've been able to get my own bonus. I'm just here to show you how you can get this particular opportunity to your advantage. But before I continue, let me use this opportunity to give you guys a quick reminder that you guys should not forget to like this video and share it to people that you feel might need it, and also comment the country where you're watching from so that I can keep making videos for your country. And most importantly, make sure you are subscribed to this YouTube channel. It's not cost you any dime to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Just click on the subscription button and also turn on your notification button so that when I drop videos relating to how you can make money online in 2025, you'll be the first to know. All right, so if you have done that, that's good for you, and thank you so much for honoring my request. All right, so proceeding to how you can get this particular update, so how you can claim this particular no deposit bonus, all you have to do is to click on this menu button showing right here at the top. Right click on it, and after clicking on it, so these are what it's going to bring out. So you just have to click on this KYC documents right here, click on it. All right, so you just have to scroll down, and after scrolling down, this is where you have to upload your proof of identity. All right, as you can see, mine is even still bringing awaiting review, which means I am not yet verified. All right, so this does not mean you can get this particular bonus without being verified, but you can try your luck. When I was trying to get mine, they did not bring an opportunity for me to open a live account. All right, so scroll down right here, and after getting here, you upload your document. And after uploading your document, as you can see, a clear colored copy of the front as well as the back of your valid passport or a clear copy of national ID together with your driving license. All right, so you can use any of these three methods to verify your account. So upload the front and back here, upload the front here, and upload the back here. All right, so after doing this, then they are going to review your documents for you. All right, so after uploading your documents, just head over to their dashboard again, click on the menu button and click on dashboard right here. Then you can click on new live account, create new live account. Right, click on it, and after clicking on it, they are going to create an account that looks like this for you. All right, so after creating an account that looks like this for you, they are going to do this immediately. All right, it's not going to take any minutes or any hours. They are going to create it for you immediately. Right, so after creating it, then as you can see right here, this is mine. Right, so as you can see, it is showing 0 at the balance. There's nothing to panic about. If you check right here, this is it, equity is $100. All right, which means I have my $100 already. All right, so like I was saying, after creating a live account, you'll be sent a email which is going to contain your login ID, MetaTrader 5 login ID, and their server name. All right, their server name. All right, let me quickly show you the message I got from. So this is the mail I got from this particular broker, and as you can see right here, this is my MetaTrader 5 login ID, and this is their server name right here, Spectra Global Live. It is a live account. All right, so you just have to search for their server name. All right, as you can see, I got this message 3 days ago. I just said I should do this video for you guys so that you won't miss out from this particular opportunity. All right, so after getting this message, all you have to do is to head over straight to your MT5 app. All right, so after getting to your MT5 app, this is my own bonus right here, but as for those of you that don't know how to log into your MT5 app, this is for you. All right, so after getting right here, you just have to click on this menu button showing right here at the top. All right, click on the menu button showing at the top. All right, as you can see right here, after clicking on it, then you click on manage accounts. And after clicking on manage account, you click on this plus button showing right here. All right, the plus button, and you search for their broker name, which is Spectra. All right, search for it, Spectra. So this is their broker name right here. All right, this is it right here, and you click on it. Then you input your login ID right here, and like I said earlier, when creating an account, you input the password you use to create an account. So then you input it right here where it is required, and after doing that, then make sure this is set to live. It is a live account, and then you click on login right here. All right, you click on login, and after clicking on login, then your account is going to look like this. All right, as you can see, the balance is currently 0, but equity is $100. Right, which means you've been able to get your bonus. All right, but for those of you that might not be able to get your bonus, right, because initially I was not able to get my own bonus, all I have to do is to head over to their support that is shown right here at the bottom, right here. All right, click on the support, and after clicking on it, it's going to pop up. So you just have to chat with their support. All right, and after chatting with their support, you request for your $100 no deposit bonus, and they are going to request for your MT5 login ID. And after requesting for it, it's going to take about few minutes, 5 minutes or so. They are going to get back to you and say you that it has been added to your account successfully. You can start trading now. All right, so this is this about this particular update. All right, so if you are looking to how you can be able to withdraw from this particular platform, right, if you are looking to how you can get to withdraw, all you have to do is to chat with their customer support and request for the terms and condition. And after requesting for it, then you know how to go about it. And if you want to get the update from me, then you have to check my Telegram channel. I will drop in the terms and conditions right there. All right, so you have to be in my Telegram community to be able to get this. Thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, right, and comment the country where you're watching from, and most importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can keep getting updates on how you can make money online in 2025, even without having to deposit any money of your own. Have a nice day.